Smart Kids Ocean Custodian. Once upon a time, in a coastal town called Wavecrest, there lived a young boy named Lucas who had a special connection with the ocean. Every day after school, he would visit the beach and watch the waves roll in, dreaming of protecting the beautiful marine life he loved so much. One morning, Lucas met a wise old sea turtle named Captain Shell, who shared the secrets of becoming an ocean guardian. Captain Shell taught Lucas three important responsibilities: the power of protection, learning about marine ecosystems, watching out for sea creatures in need, reporting harmful activities to authorities, the power of cleanup, organizing beach cleanup events, removing plastic from the shoreline, setting up recycling stations near the beach, the power of education, teaching others about ocean conservation, sharing facts about marine life, showing people how to be ocean friendly. With these powers, Lucas became Ocean Guardian Lucas. He started the Sea Protectors Club at his school. Together with his friends, they created informative posters about marine life, built special containers for fishing line recycling, helped injured seabirds, and reported sea turtle nests. Soon, children from all over town wanted to join Lucas's mission. He taught them his special pledge: guardian of the waves so blue, protecting oceans, tried and true. Every creature, big and small, we promise to protect them all. Thanks to Lucas and the Sea Protectors, Wavecrest became known as the most ocean-friendly town in the region. Remember, you too can be an ocean guardian like Lucas. All you need is love for the sea and the courage to stand up for marine life.